everyone, and welcome to another video of Linux for absolutely beginners. And today we'll be going through what is a data center, right? Why also data center within Linux series? This is just because most of the time either company might kind of launch a server. It can be in the data center or it can be in the cloud. And what is a data center basically? A data center is just a secure location where we store our servers, right? Basically, when you see a CEO of one organization, they don't basically store the server maybe in their garage or maybe in their room and so on, right? They have a very, very secure location where they store all those servers, and that location basically is called a data center, right? A data center. And within the data center, they store all those servers, and servers also in IT is also called a node or a host, right? When somebody will say a host or a node is called, that means it is a server. And you can see here how this is how the data center basically looks like, right? And a company can basically decide to own his own data center, or they can kind of use somebody else's data center, right? That means they can use stuff like AWS. They just go to AWS, they sign up for an AWS account. AWS will basically set up this data center here, and they will go ahead and use it and pay as they move, right? Pay only for what they use, right? And this is another picture here where we can just go ahead and see how the data center look like. Now, the question is this though, is it a good idea today to store server in the data center, or we need a cloud? It all depends, right? A lot of companies have basically migrated from on-premise. That means they don't want to own their own data center. They want to move to the cloud and use somebody else's data center, right? Why are they going to do that? Because they want to save more money. They want to pay only for what they use, and they don't kind of want to manage. They don't want to pay the physical location where this data center is. They don't want to have a bunch of idle server sitting down there just because they are trying to scale up, right? Just because they are trying to scale where there is something that we call a peak time. Peak time in IT means we have more traffic, right? That means a lot of them basically move in the cloud, and they will just want to take advantage of the cloud, and they don't really use data center no more. But there are some company out there that they have their own physical data center. They don't want to use somebody cloud. They don't want to use somebody data center, right? And just to sum up, what is the data center? A data center, it is just a secure location where we store like a massive servers, right, or nodes, and we go ahead and wire all the network communication, and that's it. Please, if you like this video, let me know in the comment of just let me know in the comment. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please go ahead and just do that, so that if we publish a new video, you will be notified. And also, please follow us on social media, such as Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, and so on. Bye-bye. Thank you.